Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rimas Robotics. In this class, we will be going to learn about the functions in Python. Means functions are the basically blocks of the code which perform a certain particular slot of application and they can be run whenever they are called. And in this video we will be going to learn how functions are called in a program, and we will be going to learn about the built-in function, user defined functions, and many more, and some inbuilt functions. What are they? Some applications oriented type. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. As in this slide, you can see the types of functions and some points. Let me elaborate those points. Mainly the functions are basically blocks of a code which perform a certain particular sort of application and they can be run whenever they are called. Means if you are going to call a function, like you have to add a function, or you want to add or multiply a group of functions in an array, means you can directly call a function called add and enter the variables in it. So why functions are required? Because functions reduce the redundancy and increase the readability, and there is something called as a pass by object. If you are new to programming, then you would know that there is something called as pass by value and pass by reference. Well, Python accordingly supports pass by object, which means that it creates an object whenever a particular function is being called and then accordingly does the work. So let's start the class in the Python and have some examples. I've opened a file and let's start our programming with adding the two numbers and multiplying the two set of numbers in a program. Let us define a function of def add x comma y, and I am going to print the sum of this function. Also carries a double colon and print sum is, and closing it, comma. Let's try to give the same input what we have entered. I am giving the function called add and a two numbers which is 5 comma 10, and let's try how output will be under the control. So it has printed as it is 5 comma 10 because we are not using the symbol of plus in between this function. So after giving the plus means it will add as in the previous program, and now you can see the difference. Okay, let me add some more definitions. Def multiply ply open parenthesis x comma y and colon, and after that I am going to print statement with multiplication of x and y is x star y. And let's close, and let's give a sample inputs of add 7 comma 5, and let's give some examples for the multiply 7 comma 5, and another example of a multiply 5 comma 20. Let's save and see the output. Here 5 plus 10 is 15, 7 plus 5 is 20, 7 into 5 is 35, and 5 into 20 is 100. As you can see, the output has been accordingly. So let's try another inbuilt functions which the function holds. This is the inbuilt functions which we are going to try in a functions. Let me define a list equals to 1 comma 0 comma 3, and quickly I will write the program. Okay, as you can see here, I have defined the list. As you can see here, I have defined a list and I have given the output also. So let me define this ABS function is used to change the positive number into a negative number. If we give a negative number, it will change accordingly to the positive number. If the function is ALL, it is a false. If any means it is a true, means the function is exist or not. As you all know that the length function len, it is a 3. I have mentioned the 3 elements. It has given the output as 3. Let me show all the functions. Of the output, here the length is 3 and the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 3, and the sum of the list is 1 plus 0 plus 3 equals to 4, and the type of the list is, as it is a list, it has given as a list. So this is the overview of the function. We will be learning deep into these functions in the next upcoming videos. After this class, you will be learning about the file handling, and this is the last lecture of the beginner class. In the after completion of this file handling, we will be going to the next level, which is the intermediate level of the Python programming. I will provide you the complete video of around 1.5 hours, or it may take around 2 hours also, the complete introduction to the file handling in one video, so that it will be helpful for you. By watching in one by one video, skipping it and searching for the another video, I will upload it very soon. Thank you.